Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is from Alessandro Zamboni. Fresh out today, #1 selling item called Horror GameBooks Empire. And it is $17. You click the link in the video description, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a bit of a description there of what exactly you're going to be able to create horror game books in minutes with the help of AI. And what are you going to do with these? You're going to sell them on Kindle, on Teacher Pay Teacher, on Etsy, on your own blog post, PayHip, whatever kind of thing you're using to sell things. And 544 AI prompts, each one engineered to generate what they call Lovecraftian, which is a particular type of book, Lovecraftian horror game book. So each of the 544 prompts, you can make a book a day by spending 10 minutes a day. Again, this is $17 and away you go. All safe to publish and sell. You paste the prompt, hit enter, publish on Amazon. Are you okay with that? There you go. Click the link, check it out. It's fresh out today. It's a #1 top seller from Alessandro Zamboni. He does tons of these things. This is a weird sort of a niche. Let me show you a little bit more inside. Where do I need to be? Here. Okay. So I'm in the middle of the site, and they talk a bit about you get the book put together. I want to scroll down to yeah. Okay, they're going to use all that. I think I want to go back up. So here, let's give you an idea. So spine-chilling interactive horror stories. Now you can see the kind of thing with the cover, with pictures, the whole 9 yards. It puts it all together. A full 60-page horror story with multiple endings. And that's the cool thing about this. So it has multiple endings, and that's why it's really hard to do with AI, but they put together the whole thing to make it work, and away you go. So you're going to create, it's going to create for you a list of characters, settings, myths, and stories, main character with a full profile, authentic horror atmosphere, evidence, objects, and fake evidence, and many different final endings for infinite playability. Turns you into the next Lovecraft, Allan Poe. You're getting 544 top-selling horror game book ideas, $17. Click the link, check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. You're going to love Alessandro Zamboni and his prompts that create horror game books, 544 in, let me see if I can go down here and go bzzz all the way down and go, you get to the bottom and they go, yeah, click there, $17 in the next 5 days. So click the link and check it out, called